Hi everyone, it's Louise here. So this is the final post for WIP Weekend, or Works in Progress Weekend. Those little pieces that we started, we put to one side, perhaps had something we didn't like on it, or something we had that had stopped us from completing it. So over the weekend I've posted, and I would say do watch the other videos. It's got a bit more detail on what we're doing, and it's also got the prompts. So the prompts have been 1 stitch, 1 minute, alternate with a newer project, do a bit on each, and also we're going to have a final prompt today, and it may be that that's suitable for this project. It may be something you do on another project, but I would say have a look through your stitch repertoire. If you are not very confident on stitches, have a look at some of my videos. I was talking yesterday about this area of satin stitch. I don't really do satin stitch very much. It's not one that I've found particularly easy or that I enjoy doing, but I actually quite enjoy doing this, and it doesn't look too bad for somebody who's, I would say, a bit of a novice there. So I'm going to do a little patch of satin stitch down here, and that is just covering part of this green area. So as I say, it's not a stitch that's necessarily hugely common for me to use, but I did quite enjoy doing a little bit of it. So it may be you try a new stitch out, or something that you're not particularly used to doing, and just see how it looks, and see whether you like it. I'm just going to do a little bit on here. I'm not going to cover the whole area. I'm just going to give it a bit of a change from the other stitches I've been using on here, and tie it in with this piece over here. So yeah, I'm just going to do a few more of those. So that is the final prompt for this weekend, and I'm interested to know, have you picked up an old work in progress? Have you picked something up just to do a stitch or a minute on it? Have you made any progress? Do you feel a bit more positive about that piece now? And will you give it a little bit of love? Yeah, I'll be interested to know. So I'm going to leave that there. I'm going to carry on with this, and yeah, I may do a little update post to see where I've got to, and I'll be interested to know how you're getting on as well. So I hope you've enjoyed this little work in progress weekend. I've interspersed it with the gift tag tutorial as well. So something new, something old, something new. Maybe we need something borrowed, something blue. I don't know. But it's just to get you to have a look and just have a think about the pieces that you haven't finished and that you would like to. And there's no pressure. You just do it at your own pace. But maybe just pick it up every so often. Give it a little bit of love, and you'll end up with something beautiful. Take care. Okay, bye.